Welcome to another Fishing with Sway video, and today we're going to be cooking with Sway. And today I'm going to be frying some catfish today, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. Stay tuned. So I definitely have different varieties of stuff that I want to use. I have lime, I have chili mix, pepper, salt, fish fry already with seasoning in it. I like to add a little bit of pepper in that to give it some spice and give it that flavor that is lacking. I already have lemon in it, got that little zest in it. I'm gonna be cooking the catfish two different ways, two different style ways that I feel like that I like it myself. I don't know if you would like it. Everyone has their own taste, but go ahead and feel free to give it a try. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a tutorial on both ways on how I cook the catfish. First, I'm gonna add a scoop of butter. I'm gonna let that melt. It might not be enough, just a little bit more. Add a scoop of butter right there. Eventually it's gonna melt. I usually have it on medium. I don't usually cook on high. I don't know why, I'm just not like that. Sometimes I cook on high, or turn it up high. Whenever I fry catfish, like deep fry them, you could say, fry them really crispy, I cook it on high. Catfish usually cooks really fast. Any type of fish will cook any fast. But I'm gonna go ahead and let this melt. I'm gonna give it time to melt. Go ahead and mix it around the pan. So I have the butter all melted. It's looking right. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my piece of catfish and I'm gonna lay it in there. It's not hot enough, but it'll do. Eventually it'll get hot. Just lay my catfish right in there. Yep. You're gonna have pieces like that. You want to let that fry a little bit on both sides. You get it cooking. Then I'm giving it that little, that little push. Get that butter going. Add some salt. And then get my pepper going. Lime. You got lime all over it. Chili powder. Oh snap. I'm gonna go ahead and spread that out. Just like that. Go ahead and mix it around. Now, doesn't this look tasty? And all it's missing is just some French fries and a side of avocado. Usually I buy the avocado by itself, but today this is gonna have to make an exception. I'm gonna do a little mixture with this, and I'll show you how in a little bit how I'm gonna do it. But yes, this is perfect. And now I'm going to show you how I deep fry my catfish. Well, not deep fry, just fry, regular fry. So now to start deep frying, I don't know why I keep saying deep frying, but frying the catfish. So I'm going to start with the fish fry, the breading, and I'm going to start with a side of milk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some more pepper, because it's not spicy. It doesn't give it that little spice that I want to it. Add some pepper to it. Mix that up. Add a little bit of pepper to that. Get the other lime. squeeze the other line. All of it. Make sure you get all of it. All you need is one line. There it is. Go ahead and give me a spoon, but there's a fork. But I don't care. Go ahead and give it a mix. And there it is. The way I do it is I usually bread it first. I usually give it that breading, just a tiny bit, you know, get it in there, cover it. And then I dip it right here in the milk. It's gonna be a little chunky. Throw it right back in the breading. Keeps all of its coating, all of it, by doing that. Make them extra crispy, extra crunchy. And you'll see why, and you're gonna see how as soon as I start frying them. So you add your oil in there. To make sure I know it's enough, I put my finger in there, just right there. You see that? Where the line of my finger is, it's almost halfway to there. That's how I know it's good enough for the fish. Nice. All the coat's still on there. This is about to be delicious. This is not something you want to miss. So how, if you check if the oil is ready, nice and hot, just throw a couple pieces in there. It looks about ready to me. Just like that. You don't want to clutter it too much. Just to put it just enough in there. Get that. Yeah, these are done. These are done. Falling apart. Can barely stay on the fork, baby. It's that crunchiness in it too. Oh, that one don't want to come off. Doesn't that look appetizing? I know I would eat it. You'd have to be a fool not to eat this. Top it off. Some fries. Can't forget the fries now. These always got to be the last to be cooked though. Oops. Well, I'm going to let these settle in right here. As soon as I get them all situated, I'm going to throw some salt in at the end. It's going to have all that seasoning from that fish that I just cooked in these fries too. So I might not have to season them, but I always love to throw some more salt in my fries, have that flavor in them. But we'll see. Job well done. Now this is the final results. The fried catfish. Tasty, crunchy fries. Some really crunchy catfish, a little spicy, just how I like it. Lime, avocado. I'm not going to show you how to make the avocado. I said I was, but I changed my mind because I don't want the video to be too long and too boring, but this is it. And I will enjoy this. Peace.
Imposter.